Hello, my name is Alicia. Let's try this again. This is my third time trying to do this video. I am nervous, so I hope I can get this. I am doing my slow one activity for my class Intro to Psychology. For this slow activity, I chose to present about a specific career in psychology. The career I chose is counseling psychologist. With a career in counseling psychology, you will use research and therapeutic work to help clients with mental health issues or health conditions. This type of therapist can work with children, adults, families, couples, and in group sessions. In this career path, you will work with people who have life issues such as domestic violence, relationship difficulties, sexual abuse, and trauma. You will also work with people who have mental health conditions such as anxiety, depression, eating disorder, and post-traumatic stress disorder. You will work with this clientele in an insightful way to encourage and enable them to consider change and take control of their recovery to help bring them about effective change and enhance their well-being. Practicing as a counseling psychologist requires a higher level of training and also self-awareness, which can be achieved by self-counseling. Counseling psychologists help people recognize their strengths and find resources to cope with everyday problems and adversity. Counseling psychologists focus on interactions between people and their environment and on educational career development. Counseling psychologists complete graduate doctor level training in programs that require 4 to 6 years of graduate study. These doctoral programs of study involve coursework and instruction in the core years of psychology, biological, cognitive, affective, and social aspects of behavior, individual differences, and specialized instruction in theories of counseling, personality, vocational psychology, human lifespan development, psychological assessment and evaluation, psychopathology, measurement and statistics, research design, professional ethics, development of counseling. Counseling psychologists work in a variety of settings, providing various services to different client populations. Some are employed in colleges and universities as teachers, researchers, and service providers. Others work in independent practices, providing counseling assessment and consultation services to individuals, couples, families, and organizations. Still, others work in community mental health centers, VA hospitals, and other medical facilities. Health maintenance organizations, rehabilitation agencies, and business industrial organizations. Job duties of counseling include creating treatment plans, organizations. Job duties of a counseling psychologist include creating treatment plans, maintaining current knowledge of relevant research, conducting assessments, intervention, assessment, and counseling techniques. Duties may also include conducting psychotherapy or counseling sessions with patients and teaching the patient to identify triggers for certain behaviors during their daily routines. Counseling psychologists assess and diagnose and treat mental and emotional disorders through observation and psychological tests. The following skills are required to become a counseling psychologist. Communication, active listening, social skills, problem solving, observation, interpersonal communication, empathy, critical thinking, and self-awareness. A few colleges that offer the 4-year program are Northeastern University, Columbia University, and Harvard University. That's just, you can also go the 2-year route where you go to a community college and you can do your prereqs and stuff there, and then you could do a transfer out program if a 4-year program doesn't work for you. There's a lot of options. There's also online schooling. There's a lot of options. It just is a long period of time doing this school, because you do need a doctorate to do this career path. Some people choose to become mental health counselors because they have received counseling or therapy services themselves. Rather than discussing the reasons they sought counseling, they can always describe how it made a difference in their life and how they grew from the experience. The journey to become a licensed psychologist in California usually takes around 10 to 12 years, depending on your education, the time needed for your supervised professional experience, and other factors. Counseling psychologists can work almost anywhere, including hospitals, organizations, mental health facilities, and private practices. They can also work, like I said, it is a lot of schooling. If you're okay with doing a lot of schooling, it works for you. 10 to 12 years, it is kind of a lot. I have considered this career path for myself, but I did choose to go ahead and do nursing. It is still helping people, but I do like to talk to people and help people, especially through like their mental health and any other, aspects in their life. Other places that counseling, other places that they can work at would be prisons and correctional facilities, government agencies, schools, colleges and universities, veterans hospitals, nonprofit agencies, businesses, and independent practices. The salary for the consulting psychologist can vary widely depending on the industry, company size, geographical location, and years of experience. In 2013, the median salary for clinical counseling and school psychologists was $72,713, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, which groups these subfields together. The working hours are usually Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Many counseling psychologists are self-employed. So if you're self-employed, you can just go based off of your clientele. You can book mornings, afternoons, maybe evenings if that works for you and works for them. Whatever it is to suit your client's requirements. Again, if, this is the one that I chose, it was the most interesting to me. If I did want to become a psychologist, which, like I said, I do like to talk to people and I do like to help people. And I like to help children, adults, families, couples, group sessions. Group sessions kind of make me nervous, but I'm doing this video and I'm trying. But I would like a career. If nursing doesn't work out for me, this would probably be something that I would, shift myself to. But thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you have a great day.